Just bugging.
Watch as Fred pulls up with his recently purchased 1973 Squareback. He comes over to show off his recent purchase and also to let us know that it will be for sale.
Squareback attack. I was joking in that thing video when I said all we need is a Squareback and a bus.
There we go.
What's up, man?
Now all we need is a bus and a fastback.
I don't know. Take a look at the back. Look, you might have to paint it.
Oh yeah, I guess it is. But it ain't got any body work.
No. Looks pretty solid. And sorry guys if the footage looks kind of crap, but
It is dark.
it is dark and I'm filming on an iPhone because the DJI is not going to work at dark.
Not bad though. What do you think?
It's not bad. It's nice. Don't look like it need any body work.
Just needs a paint job.
Yeah. Hey guys, so I ended up getting the light out here hooked up, so now you guys can actually see the car. Look at it. Looks sweet.
Wow, it's actually in pretty nice shape.
Not bad, right?
No. Holy cow.
Even the shifter is.
It's got a new headliner in it, but somebody didn't know what they were doing.
They almost got it done,
Huh.
and then they sold it.
There we go. Yeah, it'll be fun. Look at there.
But you bought it for the other car that Come take a look at this.
Go. Full motor.
Oh shit, I didn't even see that.
And for some reason, this is pulled off.
Yeah.
And that, because it had
The boots are off,
yeah. In general, everything's here.
You're not kidding.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Isn't this a good one?
Yeah.
You'd have bought this, right?
Oh yeah. It was a good deal. It's all here.
That's a little bent down there, and I don't know what that steel pipe is. I think that was their makeshift bumper.
Yeah, makeshift bumper.
But look at the body.
Yeah, it's tight.
And we can open the hood.
Look at
I've
that.
got this piece here.
Just needs another paint.
It just needs a paint job.
Sand it down and paint it again.
And interior.
Yeah.
But even,
That's sweet front end. Look at that. That's a good
That is
candidate.
sweet.
it's a good candidate to redo.
No body work.
No.
No.
It may want to jump in front of the Karmann.
I really think it should.
I would think for
I really think it should.
This would be quicker.
I think
This is way quicker
Yeah, I
than the
think we should
67
move
Ghia.
I do too.
Way quicker.
I completely get on the 71 tomorrow. We got a lot done with Pat here
Look
today.
at that.
Look at this.
Holy cow.
He says, please be careful. That's $400.
What, just the mirror?
The mirrors. I said, no.
Hmm.
But he was showing me all the stuff.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, and all the lights are here. The little door, there it is.
Yeah, I totally agree. This should go in front.
And look down here. Everything, I mean, it's straight.
That's solid. Look, just a little bit of
And I've
rust.
got a title to it.
Hell yeah.
Florida
I agree we should move this in front.
I think it goes in front of the
This will be quicker.
Karmann.
This
As
will
much
be
as I
quick.
hate to say that.
Yeah, but
It's
the
way
amount of work
quicker.
is left, and there's nothing to do except clean it up. Straighten that. What year is this?
73.
What happened here? Back up.
Well, yeah, he
Back up.
scraped it on the garage.
Oh, yeah. At least it
It
didn't
wasn't
cave it
that way
in.
before we took it out
At
today.
least it didn't cave it in.
Nope.
Uh,
But we'd be sending it
What
down
is-
anyway to
what
repaint.
is-
All these are loose.
Oh.
By the way, he said
Okay.
you need the bead,
the weather, yeah. The
weather strip,
Yeah.
or whatever it's called.
Yeah.
He put them on with 3 bolts.
So only one window? Only one window's in? But you have all the windows
No, I got
out?
all the glass.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, that's awesome.
every window.
And at least they're all out. You just
Amazing.
gotta pop one out.
This is an amazing deal.
Yeah, it is. Awesome.
Nice
I'm
gas tank.
out.
Let's go to the front of the line with
And let's find an interior,
Yeah.
so I don't have to rebuild
Oh,
this.
yeah. Yeah, because you know how much some seat cushions are? They're more than the interior. I mean, than the seat covers. Oh, yeah.
You see
Already?
this, Dalton?
New pans.
New pans.
Wow.
Yeah.
What a deal.
What a
Yeah,
deal.
this definitely has to go forward. And the hard part of the headliner's already up. I just need to retouch it.
I know. Let me see the pans. He said that they had replaced them before he bought it. Yeah, they're good.
Oh, yeah. Good job, too.
Yep.
Somebody did it right.
He's got that approved to do whatever.
Alrighty.
All right.
Nice shape.
Oh my did
Wow.
good. I
Yeah.
did good.
Yeah, you did.
That's killer.
You even have windshield wipers in
It's got all the glass.
there. Got all the glass.
That's
I gotta get it out of the car right now.
That's awesome.
Hey man, looks like he's got the Squareback attack.
Yeah, I was just joking in that thing video, the 74 thing video when we were cruising. I said all we need is a Squareback, a Fastback, and a bus. I think you said it too.
Yeah.
But I guess Fred was listening and he found this great deal on a 73 Squareback. So this one's gonna get pushed to the front of the line because it's just basically fix one dent in the back and go over it and we'll sand it. And it's already got a new headliner in it, but it needs to be tightened up. And of course they got all the interior to do, and then the motor needs to be rebuilt. But the body's there, you know, it's
Yep.
ready to go.
It's sweet.
Yeah, just clean it up and shoot it again.
Now we need a Fastback or a bus.
Oh, shh. Don't tell Fred.
Hey man, what we got here?
We've got a 1973 Squareback Fred bought, and as he buys and sells, this one's going to be for sale. I didn't even know it was coming.
No,
But
it was a
wow, what a
surprise.
solid start of a project. Anybody wants to build a Squareback, man, it's all here. I mean, for a solid body, got solid floors in it. Of course, you have to reupholster the seats. But I mean, look at these doors. It's not full of Bondo or nothing. These are completely solid doors. So this will be at the Lakeland show this Sunday. For somebody that wants to build a project Squareback, this is quite the candidate here.
Look at that pretty painted hood.
Yeah, look down here. I mean, that's normally all rotted out. It's completely solid. Yeah, look at that. It's not even rusted at the lip right there.
No.
Wow. That's where the spare tire goes, of course. Same story. Look at this gorgeous door. Solid. I mean, look at the door jambs. It's just, there's nothing on the lip. Look at the lip rail on the roof. There's nothing on it. It's just perfect. So, I mean, this is a great,
And it's got a motor in it.
yeah, and actually the only dent on the car is right here where somebody actually missed
Here, open this up.
getting it out of the garage. Yeah, look at that. It springs right up. Comes with a motor. We don't know the story on the motor. Most of us here, of course, the carburetor went off. We got some boots coming in. We were going to try to crank it up and everything, so see what we have, maybe do a compression test. But we're going to take it down there to see if somebody wants to buy it and go move on with it themselves. So G-Man and Dalton will be there Sunday. Oh, and I will be in the 1974 thing that you all saw at the factory.
Unless we purchase this vehicle.
Well, we are thinking about, looks like a 75 Beetle that is made to look like a 66 Beetle.
Yes.
We're not quite sure what, it's titled as a 75, but everything on it is not.
And we've been negotiating and
Yeah.
working back and forth, so we might possibly have that
Yeah,
Beetle.
we
but
like the
we're not
look
too
of it.
sure
We're
yet.
not looking at it as to buy and sell it. It might be a next Just Buggin cruiser where we just roll up, you know.
Yep, we put it on the trailer, you know, and bring it to a show, or we drive it to a
we'll
show.
drive it around. We'll
Yeah.
stencil Just Buggin on the side of it or something.
Yeah.
It'll be our little cruiser.
Yeah.
You know, go up to the VDUB factory and get some parts in it.
Yeah, that'd be sweet.
So you get to see what, and also we've got a 1971 convertible Super Beetle that is almost ready to paint. And the parts are over here that are already painted. That's gonna get painted before we get to Daytona Beach, but this is the color that it's gonna be. It's got a lot of pollen on it, just like the Squareback does, but it's a beautiful metallic dark red. Yeah, look at all that pollen. Wow.
That's nasty.
But it's gonna be a pretty car.
But yeah, it is a pretty
So
red. I'm
don't
not a big
forget, we
fan
got
of
the
red, but
champagne,
whew.
78 convertible champagne. So we got 3 convertibles that are up for sale. So that one's about done, and that is a completely refreshed motor with 5,500 in play on it and 145 per cylinder PSI. So we're gonna have some really good, reliable convertibles for the summer for people to purchase.
So yeah, hopefully you guys come out to the Lakeland show and, you know, see us and maybe see some of these cars and be interested in looking at them.
And we'll also be doing it at the Daytona show
Yeah.
on the 27th. So be there or be square. Squareback, that is.
Hey guys, it's Dalton. Thanks for watching this short little video. We just wanted to put out this video to let you guys know that we are going to the Lakeland show on March 21st, which is a Sunday. So if you guys happen happen to go there, you'll definitely be seeing us. Also, you'll be seeing the Squareback because Fred is gonna haul that there, and we also will be hauling his 74 thing, so you'll be seeing that there. And remember, we do have the 71 Super for sale that is in the process of being painted, and also we do have the 1978 Rare Champagne Edition too that is for sale too. So if you guys are interested in that, comment down below. But thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, drop a like, comment, subscribe, and have a just buggin' of a day. And hopefully we'll see you there at Lakeland.